They move as a unit. Water flows around them softly. The jet waits in silence. Water flows off slowly. Surface details become clear. Restoration continues above.
Bring it down easy, watch the starboard side. Rope secured, ready for descent.
The team stands together. Their mission is complete. Pride fills the silence. Deep beneath the ocean, silence surrounds everything. A forgotten fighter jet rests in darkness, lost since the war of another era. A submarine moves carefully through the water. Its lights scan the ocean floor. A hidden story is about to be found. The pilot watches closely. A metallic shape appears in the distance. The mission begins silently. The fighter jet is revealed fully. Broken wings, yet still powerful. A warrior frozen in time. The hatch opens slowly. A restoration team prepares to enter. Numbers marked on their backs. Each diver carries a number. Silent identity in deep waters. A mission beyond words. They move as a unit. Water flows around them softly. The jet waits in silence. A gentle touch meets cold metal. Dust floats away slowly. The past begins to wake. A military symbol appears, still visible after decades. A mark of history remains. The metal surface shines again. Details reappear from time. The jet breathes once more.
The cockpit is sealed completely.
The team gathers together. Focus shifts to the cockpit. The mystery deepens. Debris is removed slowly. Glass surface becomes clear. Visibility improves. A shadow appears inside. Something remains untouched. Time has preserved it. The lock shifts slowly. Rust breaks away in silence. The seal weakens. The cockpit opens slightly. Water flows gently inside. A hidden past is revealed. The pilot seat appears intact. Controls remain untouched. A moment frozen in time. A small device begins to glow. The cockpit opens completely. Water fills the silent space. A story locked for decades awakens. A diver moves inside slowly. Every motion is controlled. Respect for the past remains. The team watches silently. No words are needed. The moment feels heavy. A cable drops from above. Connection to the surface is made. Recovery begins. The hook locks tightly. No room for error. The lift starts slowly. The box moves upward gently. Bubbles follow its path. A voice returns from the past. A silent signal is given. The operation continues. Trust flows through the team. The jet stands clearer now. Its form returns slowly. A warrior reappears. The balloons expand slowly. Pressure builds steadily. The lift begins. The jet moves for the first time. Sand releases its hold. A frozen moment breaks. The team controls its balance. Every angle is managed. Precision is everything. The propeller appears clearly, still attached firmly. Power once lived here. The jet rises slowly upward. Light grows stronger above. The surface is near. Sunlight reaches the metal. After years of darkness, it shines again. Water flows off slowly. Surface details become clear. Restoration continues above. The jet emerges from the sea. A lost machine returns. History breathes again.
Bring it down easy, watch the starboard side. Ropes secured, ready for descent.
The black box rests safely, still glowing faintly. Its voice waits to be heard. The jet rests on the platform, ready for full restoration, and its final story is about to play. The jet rests on the dock, surrounded by modern restoration systems. The final phase begins. The team assembles carefully, numbers on their backs visible. Each step is precise. Powerful water jets clean the surface. Years of ocean life disappear. Original metal returns. Damaged parts are replaced. New structure blends with old. The jet rebuilds itself. Metal shines again. Rust is completely removed. The machine awakens visually. This is the finest restoration this hangar has ever seen. You should all be very proud of what we achieved together. The engine compartment opens. Complex systems are exposed. Restoration goes deeper. The engine responds slowly. Movement returns after decades. A forgotten power awakens. The jet glows under sunrise. A symbol of rebirth appears. History is restored.
We have a secure connection. Initiating data extraction. Look at the altitude readings here. They don't match the telemetry.
Audio signals appear. Broken but alive. The past speaks again. The team watches silently. Every sound matters. History is returning. The final recording begins. A pilot's last moment. The truth unfolds. A voice echoes from time. Calm, then chaos. A final mission was happening. The crash sequence appears. Storms, fire, silence. The final seconds revealed. The black box dims. Its message is complete. The past has spoken. The jet stands complete. No longer lost. Now remembered. The team stands together. Their mission is complete. Pride fills the silence. The wind touches the wings. As if it remembers flight. The machine feels alive. The jet enters the hangar. A place of honor. History preserved forever. Lights illuminate the jet. It shines like new. A legend restored. A plaque is placed below. Its story is written, never forgotten again. From the depths of the ocean to the light of history, the fighter jet lives again, forever.